So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. I'm going to leave two commands down below in the description. This second command is only if the first one does not work. So for the first command, we're just going to copy and paste this. It's going to be down below in the description. You're going to paste this right here, click on Enter. And now for me, it appears to have worked because it just turned blue. So once you type in the first command, you want to head over to search and type in Photos. And now Photos should be removed. For me, Photos is removed and it's asked me to get it from the Microsoft Store. So when you head over to search and type in Photos, if it's still here, then you want to use the second command. But in my case, because Photos has now been removed, I don't need to type in the second command. So now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're here, you just want to search for Microsoft Photos. Click on it. And then you just want to download it again. Now it's downloading. And now once it's been fully installed, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.